Massachusetts.
We've got some young people that want to share a quick word with you about why they're here today, why they care about this issue, and why this year is the year to pass our Fund Our Future legislation.
The fact that we have to demand that our legislators invest money in our public school is embarrassing. There should not be a debate. Our education is not negotiable.
Every student deserves the attention they need to succeed.
It is providing uniforms assigned a bill with an aspiration to create equity in our schools. The Chapter 70 formula ensured that our schools would have the financial means to provide programs that would...
This should be a no-brainer. Pass the Promise and Cherish Acts, fund our future, and let us get back to doing our jobs. Thank you.
The funding situation is dire for our schools, our teachers, our students, and our communities, but it is not irreparable. The state promised our students the right to an education, and now they need to fulfill that promise. They need to fully fund our public schools now. The Promise and the Cherish Act promise that well-funded future to our children and cherish higher education for all of our students.
I'm Maureen Colvin-Posner. I am the president of Springfield Education Association. Here's where we're at. We will not take no for an answer, and we will not wait. Our children can't wait. This is the social justice issue of